Hi, I'm Don Smith, Agent and Administrator for the National Air Traffic Controllers Association's Group Long-Term Disability Policy with Unum. This insurance helps protect arguably your most valuable, tangible asset, your income. As air traffic controllers, you may not be in control of disabling circumstances that prevent you from working. The mental and physical requirements of your occupation are much more rigorous than other jobs. If you earn a good income that can so easily be lost, doesn't it make sense to protect it? Even though a maximum of only 16 to 17% of NADCA members have chosen to purchase long-term disability insurance, Unum has paid more than $5.5 million in disability claims to NADCA members since the inception of this policy. Obviously, with more member enrollment, more claims would be paid. Many good-intentioned NADCA members believe your employer will take care of you if you're disabled. While your employer has many good benefit programs, they don't offer disability insurance. The millions of dollars already paid to NADCA members should be evidence that this program is worthy of every NADCA member's support. Review the information on this website so you can make an informed decision. Again, this is a group policy. The rates are based on the law of large numbers as it relates to this specific group. In other words, we need your help to make this thing work. We're having an open enrollment. Enrollment is easy. Right now, your acceptance is guaranteed. Simply click the enrollment tab and follow the instructions. If you have any questions, call or email our office. Thank you for listening.